In the ever-evolving landscape of electric vehicles, Tesla remains the undisputed trailblazer. The Tesla Model Y continues to be a standout in the world of automotive innovation. In this video, I'll be dissecting not just a few, but a whopping 15 reasons why you should consider purchasing the Model Y this year. From cutting-edge tech to driving experience that's nothing short of extraordinary, each reason shines as a testament to the Model Y's standout qualities, making it a strong contender in the realm of electric vehicles. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Reason number 1, price and value, a game changer in the electric vehicle landscape. The Model Y offers a competitive starting price with the all-wheel drive trim at $49,000, a remarkable 25% reduction from just over a year ago at $65,000. It's also eligible for the $7,500 federal tax credit. And beyond federal incentives, there are a lot of state and utility companies offering additional credits and incentives, making the Model Y even more affordable in various regions. What sets the Model Y apart is Tesla's commitment to price reductions over time. This affordability, combined with the impressive 310-mile range, places the Model Y in a league of its own. The Model Y's acceleration, particularly on the performance trim, hitting 0 to 60 miles an hour in a mere 3.5 seconds, showcases Tesla's ability in delivering not just efficiency, but exhilarating performance that rivals supercars. But affordability is not the only story here. As I mentioned, the Model Y has 310 miles of range, and this is pure freedom. You have pretty much no more range anxiety, just smooth, worry-free journeys. Now let's talk about efficiency. The Model Y claims the throne at an efficiency rating of 4 miles per kilowatt hour. Against its competitors like the Volkswagen ID.4 at 3.2 miles, the Ford Mustang Mach-E at 3.1 miles, the Jaguar I-Pace at 2.7 miles, and the Audi e-tron at 2.6 miles. The Model Y isn't just efficient, it's a chart topper, setting a standard in its class. And with Tesla's commitment to making EVs affordable, the Model Y will only continue to have price cuts over time. Now let's talk about reason number 2, and trust me, it's a real standout feature: the interior space and cargo capability of the Model Y. We're not just talking about a car here. We're diving into a meticulously designed space that has the power to redefine your entire driving experience. It's not merely about spaciousness, it's about the thoughtful integration of comfort and adaptability. The Model Y boasts an impressive 76 cubic feet of storage, and let me tell you, that's not just a number. It's the magic that transforms this space into a logistical marvel. Whether it's a road trip with a family, a spontaneous adventure, or just your everyday hustle, the Model Y's interior is designed to adapt. Now let's talk about reason number 3, versatility. The Tesla Model Y isn't just a car. It's a dynamic powerhouse that effortlessly juggles impressive range, a heart-pounding 0 to 60 performance, and mind-blowing cargo space. Yes, a 5-seater crossover delivering this level of versatility is nothing short of insane. It's not just about reaching your destination. It's about doing it with unmatched style, performance, and the freedom to go the distance. The Model Y sets a new standard not just as a vehicle, but as a versatile companion that adapts to every aspect of your life. There's a reason why the Model Y is the best-selling car in the world. Its combination of range, performance, and cargo space has redefined what a car can be, especially an electric one. It's not just meeting expectations, it's surpassing them. Now let's dive into reason number 4, and trust me, it's a feature that's pulling its weight: towing capability. The Model Y isn't just a sleek, powerful electric crossover, it's also a workhorse ready to tackle a variety of tasks, and towing is where it truly flexes its muscles. You can equip your Model Y with a high-strength steel tow bar and a 2-inch hitch receiver capable of towing up to 3,500 pounds. Now the catch with towing with an EV is a substantial reduction in range. With EVs, you can lose up to 50% of range just by towing. It's an important consideration, and understanding the balance between towing capacity and range is key to maximizing your Model Y experience. Now let's delve into the Model Y's impressive glass roof, a feature that truly sets it apart in the automotive landscape. Picture yourself behind the wheel, basking in the natural light that floods the cabin through the expansive, panoramic glass roof. It's not just a design choice, it's a game changer. This awe-inspiring feature creates an immersive driving experience, making every journey a visual delight. Crafted from high-strength tempered glass, the Model Y's roof is both robust and visually stunning. The seamless, uninterrupted stretch from the front to the back of the car showcases Tesla's commitment to innovative design. Safety tests have also proven that Tesla's glass roofs are durable, with it withstanding over 20,000 pounds of force. Hey guys, real quick, if you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and tick that notification bell to not miss a video. Your support means a lot, and it enables me to continue to create free content for you. Now let's shift our focus to the sixth reason why the Model Y is the must-have: the unparalleled driving experience. This is where the Model Y truly comes to life. It's not just a car, it's an exhilarating journey every time you hit the road. What sets the Model Y apart is the sheer joy it brings to driving. Picture this: instant torque, quick acceleration, and a smooth handling that maneuvers effortlessly through winding roads. Now I have to admit, the suspension isn't all that when compared to other cars in its class. It's quite firm. Also, the electric powertrain isn't just a nod to sustainability, it's a performance workhorse that makes driving a Model Y an absolute pleasure. It's not just transportation, it's an experience. But the Model Y isn't just about spirited drives. It seamlessly transitions into your everyday companion, elevating mundane commutes and long road trips alike. And that brings me to my next point: autopilot. Autopilot is a feature that epitomizes Tesla's commitment to reshaping the driving experience. It's a technological marvel that transcends the ordinary, propelling the Model Y into a league of its own. Autopilot is Tesla's advanced driver assistance system. It's not a fully autonomous system, but it can handle certain situations such as highway driving or stop-and-go traffic. It's a great feature for long drives or just when you want a little extra help on the road. Now let's talk about a reason that is a financial game changer: the Model Y's remarkably low operating costs. Picture this: not only is the Model Y an engineering marvel, but it's also a savvy investment that keeps your pockets happy. One of the standout features contributing to this cost efficiency is the remarkably low maintenance required. Traditional vehicles often come with a laundry list of upkeep tasks, but the Model Y disrupts this norm. With fewer moving parts and no need for oil changes, the Model Y drastically slashes routine maintenance costs, putting more money back into your wallet. Say goodbye to those frequent trips to the mechanic and unexpected car repair bills. The Model Y's design, driven by innovation, means fewer components susceptible to wear and tear. If you're curious on how much exactly you can save by owning a Model Y, be sure to check out my detailed, in-depth 20,000 mile review of my Model Y long range and my 10,000 mile review of my Model Y performance. Both videos will be linked in the description below for your convenience. But as a quick sneak peek, I've saved a few $1,000s on just gas savings alone. Reason number 9 is a game changer: the premium audio system. The Model Y comes equipped with a standard system that goes beyond expectations. Boasting 13 speakers, a subwoofer, and 2 amps, this audio setup elevates your driving experience with immersive sound quality. Whether you're grooving to your favorite tunes, catching a movie, or on a phone call, the audio is nothing short of a sensory delight. Strategically placed throughout the car, the speakers deliver a balanced and consistent sound quality from any seat. With a subwoofer positioned in the rear cargo area, it generates a deep, powerful bass that resonates through the entire vehicle. Overall, the Model Y sound system is one of the best I've ever experienced in a car. It's clean, powerful, and immersive, and it adds another level of enjoyment to my driving experience. If you're an audiophile or just love to listen to music while you're on the road, then the Model Y sound system is sure to impress. Let's focus on a big concern that a lot of people have when it comes to electric vehicles: range. And the Model Y does not disappoint. You can embark on your journeys with confidence, as the long-range model has an impressive 310 miles on a single charge. This isn't just a number, it's a result of Tesla's relentless pursuit of efficiency and innovation. But it doesn't just stop there. The Model Y is equipped with energy-saving features like regen braking, pushing the boundaries of its range even further. Personally, I've never had any issues with range anxiety in my Model Y performance, as I've always had more than enough range to get me where I need to go. Range anxiety has become a thing of the past. In fact, one of the great things about electric vehicles is how convenient it is to charge at home. And that brings me to my next point. The unrivaled convenience of home charging is phenomenal. It's not just a feature, it's a lifestyle revolution. Charging your Tesla from the comfort of your home is very practical. Now, charging on a standard 120 volt outlet, also known as level 1 charging, might sound feasible, but let's be real. It's a bit like watching paint dry. You get roughly 3 to 4 miles of range per hour through this method. To truly elevate the charging game, it's recommended to install a level 2 charging solution in your home. This can be either installing an outlet like the NEMA 1450, the same as your dryer plug, and this bumps up the charging speed to around 30 miles per hour. Or you can install the Tesla wall connector. This gets you up to 44 miles of range per hour charged. I personally chose installing the Tesla wall connector as it's the fastest and most convenient home charging solution. The cost of having a level 2 charger installed varies from home to home, so be sure to shop around with multiple electricians to get multiple quotes. Supercharging is a game changer for every Tesla owner. Picture this: 50,000 plus superchargers strategically positioned across the globe, making Tesla the undisputed leader in the world's largest fast charging network. It's not just about convenience, it's about redefining the way you fuel up your Model Y. You can get up to 200 miles of range in a mere 15 minutes. Tesla's network of superchargers is much larger and faster than any electric car manufacturer's charging infrastructure, which allows Tesla owners to travel much further and with less inconvenience. And they're not tucked away, they're strategically located on major routes near those convenient amenities you're craving during your journey. Now let's explore the 13th reason, safety, a core pillar of the Model Y's design. Safety isn't just a checkbox, it's a top priority for Tesla, and the Model Y showcases its dedication with a 5-star safety rating from the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Now structurally, the Model Y embraces a pragmatic approach. A sturdy, rigid body structure and a low center of gravity work in unison to provide protection in case of a collision. The design isn't just about responding to accidents, it's about actively avoiding them. The near flip-proof design, a courtesy of the floor-spanning battery pack, adds an extra layer of reassurance. The front trunk's strategic design for a larger crumple zone and forward crashes is another thoughtful touch. Beyond the absence of a traditional engine, the overall design contributes to the Model Y's safety record. In that robust glass roof, it's not just a feature, it's a reinforcement of safety. As I mentioned, it's engineered to resist up to 20,000 pounds of force, and it's a practical yet effective element in Tesla's safety approach. Now, did you know that there's an estimated one motor vehicle theft or attempted theft every 36 seconds in the United States? And that does not even include the vast number of car break-ins that happen nationwide. Luckily in a Tesla, you have Sentry Mode. Sentry Mode is a feature that uses a car's cameras to monitor for potential threats while it's parked. If it detects anything out of the ordinary, it'll alert you and even have a recorded video for your later review. It adds a unique layer of protection to Tesla vehicles by continuously monitoring the environment around the car when it's left unattended. You can also view Sentry Mode live from your phone, and you can even honk and flash your lights. You can also broadcast audio from your phone through the external speakers of your Tesla. With Sentry Mode on, you can keep an eye on your car in real time using the app. Perfect for checking safety in darker or unfamiliar spots. Every new Tesla comes standard with a 128GB thumb drive, but many recommend upgrading to an SSD for better durability, especially with Sentry Mode constantly rewriting video files. Check the description for links to the SSDs I personally recommend. Now let's talk about reason number 15, and it's a feature that truly defines the essence of the Tesla Model Y, minimalism in its interior design. This isn't just about simplicity, it's a deliberate choice that transforms the driving experience into a clean, uncluttered cabin. The minimalist philosophy isn't a compromise, it's a choice that eliminates distractions, allowing you to focus on the pure pleasure of being behind the wheel. Take a look at the dashboard, a minimalist dream with a sleek touchscreen display. It's not just functional, it seamlessly integrates the technology into your driving experience. This intentional simplicity extends throughout the entire interior. Now that we've explored the 15 reasons why the Tesla Model Y is a standout choice, I'm eager to hear your thoughts. What aspects of the Model Y do you like the most, and what aspects do you not like the most? Leave a comment down below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more exclusive content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.